Hello everyone, my name is Amna from your loving school KPS Convent. As we are dealing with coronavirus and we are locked down in 14 April, so we have to take some precaution, that is to stay at home and be safe for ourselves and others also. You have started a new session but school are closed, so we value your time and education. So KPS Convent School has providing you digital content from which you will study at your home. So congratulations for the new session and let's get started. So today we will start our session with class 9 geography chapter 1, that is India size and location. Before starting the chapter, it is essential to know the objectives of the chapter. So objectives of this chapter is first, introduction of India. Second, location of India. Third, size of India. And fourth, neighbors of India. So our first topic is introduction of India. As we proud to be an Indian, it is necessary for us to know about India. India, officially the Republic of India, is a country in South Asia. It is the 7th largest country by area, the second most populous country, and the most populous democracy in the world. It is bounded by the Indian Ocean on the south, Bay of Bengal on the southeast, and Arabian Sea in the southwest. New Delhi is the capital of India. Our next topic is location of India. Location of India. India is a vast country. India is situated in South Asia. India is lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The country extends latitudes of 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north and longitudes 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east. The Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 degree 30 north, divides the country into almost two equal parts. To the southeast and the southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. So our next topic is size of India. As we can see in this figure, we noted that the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degree. Despite this fact, the east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours, hence time along the standard meridian of India, that is 82 degree 30 east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. It's taken as the standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. So our next topic is neighbors of India. Neighbors of India. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 9 union territories, as Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir as added in our union territories. India shares the land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Palk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Islands. India has had strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. By this, we end this chapter. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe, and study well.